In this video, we will demonstrate an acid-weak-base titration. To start the titration, you will want to clean your burette. First, add distilled water to the burette, twirl to clean the sides, and then empty the remaining water through the tip. You may need to shake it to get this out. Then close the burette, use a funnel, and fill the burette with HCl, your strong acid for the titration. Do not fill all the way, only add a few milliliters because we are just washing the burette at this stage. Again, twirl the burette to get HCl to coat the sides of it, and then empty what remains through the tip. Again, you may need to shake it to remove what's left in the burette. Once you have cleaned and prepared the burette, put it on the ring stand, and then use your funnel to fill it all the way to just above the 0 mark. Once you have filled your burette, make sure you drain a little bit through the tip so that you don't have any air bubbles in your burette. Now add 40 milliliters of distilled water to a 400 milliliter beaker that contains a stir bar. Then use a clamp to secure a calibrated pH meter to your ring stand. You will want to lower the pH meter into your beaker, being careful so that the stir bar does not hit the pH meter, which could damage it. Now you will need to use your 10 milliliter volumetric pipette to pipette some of your unknown base into your beaker. Turn the wheel to pull solution into your pipette, and then transfer these 10 milliliters into the beaker. Once the solution is drained, you will still see some solution remaining in the tip. This is normal. Do not drain this into the beaker. Now you'll want to make your final adjustments so that the pH meter is easy to read, the burette is easy to use, and that the stir bar does not touch the pH meter, as this could damage it. To begin, you'll be adding 1 milliliter of solution at a time to your beaker. Start first by recording the pH of your solution without any added HCl. So at the 0.00 milliliter mark, we will record the pH of the solution. Once we have recorded this, we can add 1 milliliter of HCl to our beaker solution, our base. Record the volume you used and read the pH. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. While you're doing the titration and waiting for it to equilibrate, sometimes you need to dance. But be careful so that you don't knock over anything. Once the pH meter has a reading for a few seconds, record the reading and continue with your titration. Again, 1 milliliter at a time. You will see a large jump in the pH, and this will indicate that you are nearing your equivalence point. You will want to continue your titration 5 milliliters past this point to have a complete data set. You'll notice here that we have a large jump at around 12 to 13 milliliters. This is where we will need to slow down our titration for the second part of the experiment.